Now click on next selection recipient. Select recipients. Use an exiting list. Select from Outlook contacts. Type a new list. Use an exiting list. Use names and addresses from a file or a database. If you have already, so browse and select from here. And if you don't have, so click on type a new list. Then type the names and addresses of the recipient. So click on create. Title. So MR. First name. Last name. Company. Address. City. Zip code. Country. Home. Work and email. Now click on new entry. I am giving the only example. So this is your database and address list. Then click on OK. Save as type Microsoft Office address lists. Give the name. Then click on save. Data source. This is the list of recipients that will be used in your merge. Use the options below to add to or change your list. Use the checkboxes to add or remove recipients from the merge. When your list is ready, click OK. So you can check or uncheck if you don't want to send this mail. Data source select if you have multiple. So you will find a list here. Select that. Refine recipients list by sorting as alphabet. You can filter. You can find duplicate if there are more database in there. Same name or some email. If you are ready, so click on OK. So this third option be finished. So you will see use an exiting list, and we selected this first contact list. Now next, write your letter. So your letter is ready. You can edit, then click on next, preview your letter. One of the merge letter is previewed here. To preview another letter, click one of the following. Then click on complete the merge. So mail merge is ready to product your letters. To personalize your letter, click edit individual letter. This will open a new document with your merge letters. To make changes to all the letters, switch back to the original document. Now click on merge. So print, select records all, or you can select from to from number. You can select here. Add subject. So like this, you can send your mail. Very simple. Click on start merge. So we have the error. Microsoft Outlook doesn't recognize this mark. Select the address to use or show more names. Microsoft Outlook doesn't recognize this one. So these all options for merge, and we will discuss again. And here are some more options about this mailing, like address block. Add an address to your letter. You specify the formatting and location, and what will replace it with actual addresses from your recipient list. When you finish the mail merge, greeting line, add a greeting to your document, insert merge field, add a field from your recipient list to the document, such as last name, home, phone, or company name. When you finish the mail merge, Word will replace these fields with the actual information from your recipient list. Specify address elements. Insert recipient's name in this format.